My name's Tony and I'm working at Caterpillar in Stockton. So I've been sent on the 2391 electrical testing and installation course. It's just for compliance at work when we're installing new circuits and stuff like that. It's so we can test them ourselves when we've installed them, really. Going forward, the course will benefit us with having the knowledge to do the testing ourselves. It'll save the company money, and instead of getting people in to do it, we can do it. And making sure all our new installations actually comply with regulations and stuff like that. So when I've come to pass, facilities have been brilliant. There's lots of different ways to do your jobs and tasks and stuff in. The instructor, he's been brilliant, he's been spot on. He goes into more detail than what's required to just get the pass. But you definitely make sure you know what you're talking about. Facilities wise, everything's as you'd expect. There's more than enough equipment for you to learn and try various different testers and stuff like that. I never really knew anything about the course as such, just stuff I'd looked at on Google about the course being very difficult and stuff like that, so I was a bit worried about coming. As the days go on, I'm slowly getting more comfortable with the course and what we need to know and do. I've gone through all my apprenticeship, passed all that stuff with Caterpillar, and now I've been in the role for 5 or 6 years. I've not really furthered any training on that until now, really. Now I've done the course, I think it opens up more courses, stuff like the 18th edition that I haven't done yet. I think using all the books and stuff like that in this course, it'll make a lot of them easier to pass. Yeah, I definitely recommend the course to other people. It's a brilliant course to have, and it's very good for you as a person to have that certificate and stuff. I'd say you need a good amount of experience to be able to actually come and pass the course, because it is difficult. Yeah, the training, you get the instructor, and the way the course is given to you, it definitely clears up a lot of information that potentially you might not already know, and make sure you've got the knowledge and stuff needed to pass the course. So yeah, it's a good course. If you're thinking to do the 2391 course or any other similar courses, I'd definitely get yourself onto the PASS website and get yourself booked in. You won't be disappointed with what you get.